Hello viewers, welcome to a new video. This is IGCSE 0580 February March 2025 QP12. We are doing question number 12. So here it is stated that Kate has method for finding the difference between two square numbers. Kate has a method for finding the difference between two square numbers, a square minus b square. Her method is the sum of a and b multiplied by difference between a and b. She shows her method for 17 square minus 13 square as 17 plus 13 multiplied by 17 minus 13. 30 multiplied by 4 is equal to 120. So work out 29 square minus 21 square. So this is solution for this is 29 plus 21 multiplied by 29 minus 21. So what these two numbers are, they will make 50 multiplied by 29 minus 21 will be 8. So it is 800 8 5s 40. So answer of this is 400. Next is its B part. And this part, all lengths in centimeters. So all lengths in centimeters, we can see its length is 100, its width is 17, its height is 17. The diagram shows a prism. Work out the volume of the prism. So how can we find the volume? We can divide this prism into these two parts. By drawing this blue color line, we can divide the upper part and into the lower part. The upper part, we can see that width is 17. It becomes cubites. So two cubites are attached to one another. So we can see that what is this measurement? See that this is 13. This one is 13 and the total length is 17. So this will be 4. And the length of this is 100. So volume of cube is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So length is 100, width is 17 and height is 4. So 17 multiplied by 4 68, 100 multiplied by 68 will be 6800. So this is 6800. All are, he said, all are in centimeters. So 6800 is the volume of the upper cube. Lower cube has length 100, the same length both have, and height 13, and this width is again is 4. See that this one is the top, this line is 17, and this one here is 13, so that remaining is 4. This is 4, so this is 4. So width of that is 4. So 13 multiplied by 4 is 52. 52 multiplied by 100 is 5200. So by adding these two, we will get the value. 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0, 8 plus 2, 10, that is 0, 1 carry. So 12,000 centimeter cube is volume of this prism. Moving to the next question. Next question is convert 8 liters into 1 centimeter cube. So it's volume, conversion, volume of the liquid, conversion to centimeter cube. Let's look. 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. You know that liquid is measured in ml, milliliters. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, or 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So we have to convert it into 1000 milliliter. 1000. So this will also become 1000 centimeter cube. So 1000 ml is 1 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now we need to convert 8 liters. So we multiply both sides by 8. So it becomes 8 liters. It becomes 8000 centimeter cube. So the answer here is 8000. Moving to the next, he says here that The diagram shows a triangular prism. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AC is equal to BC, right? Perpendicular height of the triangle ABC is 4 centimeters. Height is 4. AB is 6, BD is 6. So it means that we can see that AB and BD make base. Base is square, it means. This prism has the base square. It has square base. So complete the statement. A prism has how many faces? Two triangles and how many squares? 1, 2, 3. 3 square faces or maybe rectangular faces. So it has this two triangular you can see, and the other 3 are rectangular. So how many? 2 triangular plus 3, 5 faces. And now we count edges. What are edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges, and this is 9 edges. It has 5 faces and 9 edges. Show that the length of BC is 5 centimeters. So we have to calculate this BC, this blue line BC we have to calculate. How can we calculate this? We know that this one is 4, so it is perpendicular, means 90 degrees, so it makes a right angle triangle. And because it is an isosceles triangle, so this will split this, the height which is 4 centimeter, that line splits the triangle into 2 equal parts. So this is 3, this is 3. Base is divided into 2 equal parts, means base is bisected. So by Pythagoras theorem you see that this is 3 and this is 4, so perpendicular and base, so we have to find hypotenuse, which is BC. So by Pythagoras theorem, BC is hypotenuse, right? So we can write here hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is BC square, perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Look at it. BC is hypotenuse. Can you see BC? BC is hypotenuse. Base is, we can name it A, B, D already are there, so we can write it E. This point is E. So if you name it, BE is base and CE is perpendicular. So look, this is hypotenuse. This is Pythagoras theorem, and hypotenuse BC, perpendicular 4, base 3. They will make 16 plus 9, 25. 25 is 5 square. So BC square is 5 square. So BC is 5. BC is calculated. He said us to show that BC is 5. So we have done it. So viewers, here next part of this question is complete the net of the prism on 1 centimeter square grid. The base has been drawn for you. Okay, base has been drawn. So let's look at it again. We know that this is 5. This is 5. So this is rectangle. Look, its width is 5, length is 6. So this is rectangle. Same is with it. This is 5. This is 6. So 2 rectangles and 1 square. Square is drawn. I guess square is drawn here. So what is this square? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Square is drawn. So 2 rectangles we have to draw, whose sides, rectangles have sides 5 and 6. So as this is 6, so I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rectangle here is, rectangle has one side 6, length 6 and the width 5. So see, it is 5, it is 6. So this is one of the rectangle is this. The other rectangle, which is the back side face, is that is also 6, 5. So another rectangle we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is this is 5, this is 6. So two rectangles and one square are here. So now two rectangles, right? Two rectangles which are sides, and one square base is also drawn. So three faces are drawn. Two triangular faces are left. So let us draw them. How could triangular faces see that base of triangle is 6? Base of triangle is 6. So we have to, and height is 4. Okay, height is 4. Height of the triangle is 4. Base is 6. So where is 6? 6 is this with the square. So we can move from the middle. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we are in the middle, right? Here we are in the middle. You have to go 4 distance towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can join this corner with this corner, and similarly we can join this with this also. So this is one triangular face, the other triangular face is here. This is the net of the prism. If you fold it, you will get the prism like that. Okay, if we fold triangles first and keep them vertically up, okay, from the surface of the table we pick them and make them straight up vertical with the surface of the table, and then we fold these two rectangular red color boxes. So if we and fold it like that, we will get the box this prism shape. Okay, box of this prism shape. Next question is here, question 15. It is given that the diagram shows BCD, triangle BCD, and a straight line ABC. ABC is a straight line. We can see that the mathematical name of the triangle BCD, it is equilateral triangle. This triangle is equilateral because all sides are equal. So equilateral triangle, equilateral triangles has all interior angles 60 degree. So this angle is 60, this angle is 60, and this angle is also 60 degree. The total y and 60 make 180, the straight angle. This, if we use this different color, this angle represented by this green color is 180. So one part of 180 is 60, the other part will be 120. So y is equal to, the angle y here is equal to 120 degree. Why? Because y plus 60 is equal to 180. Y and 60 together make 180, okay? Y and 60 together make green angle, which is 180. So if we subtract y is equal to 180 minus 60, will be 120 degree. Because number one, okay. Okay, there can be other reasons also. For example, interior angle is 60. interior angle of equilateral triangle. Each interior angle, we will say, right? Each interior angle of equilateral triangle is 60. Second is exterior angle. Exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So y is exterior angle. This angle y, if I use different color, this angle y is equal to sum of these two angles. These are opposite interior angles. Adjacent interior angle is this 60. This is adjacent interior angle. Those are opposite non-adjacent interior angles. So this has been done. So here, next question, it is scatter diagram, number of people and the temperature. Question is that Jill records the temperature and number of people on a beach for each of 10 days. The results are shown in the scatter diagram. So results are shown in the scatter diagram. Which type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? So this type of correlation, which when you go towards right on x-axis, the diagram rises. The data shown there also rises. So it means it is positive correlation. So if data goes like this arrow, it is positive correlation. So this is positive correlation. Describe relationship between temperature. You can see that if we at this origin, temperature is 0. If we come towards right, the temperature increases, right? And up till here, only 2 people are there on the beach. As we go towards right, means temperature increases. More people are there. See that more people are there on the beach. So it means that we can conclude that when the temperature is more, then number of people is also. The temperature is greater or higher when the temperature is higher, then number of people is also higher, or number of people increase. Okay, number of people increases as temperature increases. Okay, let's look at this question number 17. Question number 17 says that the line L shown on the grid. Okay, so we can look at 2 points on the line. One, this point, it is 0, 3. This will be utilized, and one, this point, it is 2, 4. Okay, what does it say? Find equation of the line. Okay, this value 3 is also called C, right? C, which is here, is actually 3. But gradient we can find. Gradient is m. How can we find gradient? Is m is equal to y2 minus 1, 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 0. So 1 by 2. We use these 2 points and we calculated gradient. And the two values we have, y is equal to m is gradient 1 by 2, x plus c, c is there. You can see its value is 3. So equation is found. So y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3 is answer. L crosses x-axis at P. Find the coordinates of P. P is the point. So when line crosses x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. When line crosses x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Means we have to put y equal to 0 on the line. So in y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3, y is equal to 0, means y is 0, right? 0 is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3. Send 3 on the other side, so 1 by 2x is equal to minus 3, and 2, send 2 on the other side, it will make it minus 6. To divide here, we'll multiply there, so x is 6 and y is 0. So thank you so much, viewers, for watching this video. This is IGCSE 0580 February March 2025 paper QP12, and it's in 2 videos we have solved 17 questions. Please subscribe to this channel, share the video, like the video, and write comment. Even you can criticize us, you can appreciate us. Thank you so much for being with us. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.